my hotel?
Huh?
Can you take me to my hotel?
What hotel?
The Birch Hotel. But I need to go to a BDO bank because I've just spent 9,000 pesos with my extension visas. So can you take me to a BDO, which is by my bank, and I'll pay you. I'll take the money out of BDO. If you can go.
What video?
It's a bank, BDO.
Ah, where
Take me
video?
to the bank, yeah.
And then
Well, the bank is right.
your house.
No, yeah, the bank is very close to my hotel.
Ah,
So
what name of ano? Here.
go to you could go
What?
to go to Robinson's shopping mall.
Robinson Shopping Mall. You?
Yeah. Because when I came here, the guy on the bike charged me 50 pesos from my hotel. But I need to get money because the bank won't accept my card.
Okay, no
But
problem.
my card is BDO. It always works.
Okay, okay. Robinson Shopping Mall.
Just put shop here.
Here.
Oh no.
You.
Manila. Yeah. Or you can put Birch. Just put Birch. BIR. My hotel. BIR.
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 BIR. Birch.
Huh?
Birch Hotel.
Birch?
Birch. Birch Hotel.
Birch Tower.
Yeah, that's it. Just take me there.
Yeah, no.
And that's right. It's close to the BDO bank as well.
Okay.
Okay. So
You're here.
how much you gonna take? How much does it cost?
67 only.
That's fine.
There, you're here.
All right. Give me. You got a helmet?
What number? Your number?
What number for what?
Yeah, for ano? Here.
My phone number.
Yeah, for number. I need your phone number here.
Right, here we are.
Okay.
There we are.
99.
So it's 09979.
Okay, now.
Oh, it's already. Fuck, you're
Yeah.
quick. What's your name?
Arnold Santos.
Arnold.
Oh yeah, your per is 67 only.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just put it in there.
I go there.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
I'll give you a tip as well.
No, thank you. Your bag here at the front.
Sorry?
Your bag here front or no?
That's right.
Okay. Okay. Where are you from, sir?
London.
London. Okay.
I'm here for 100 days.
100 days.
Yeah, because I like Manila.
Okay. Okay now?
Let's go, baby. Arnold.
Yeah,
Go.
sir. Wait, where you go? Here? Yun nga mga kanegro, ang nangyari kasi dito kay sir, wala talaga siyang kapera-pera sa wallet niya. Ang gagawin namin, pupunta muna kami sa bangko sa video, saka ako siya ihahatid sa may bahay niya talaga sa may Birch Hotel mga kanegro. Siyempre ako naman, nagmagandang loob lang tayo, sinakay na natin kahit wala siyang pera nga, di ba? Yun nga, kung ano nga lang yung lumabas na rate doon, yun nga lang sisingil natin. Bali 67 nga yung rate na lumabas, kaya yun lang yung babayaran niya sa akin mamaya pagdating namin doon sa bahay niya mga kanegro, di ba? Kaya yun mga kanegro, on the way na kami sa may tutuluyan ni sir, kaya yun, update ko kayo mamaya. Yun.
There's the bank there, look. BDO.
Okay.
Money.
Okay sir, no problem.
No, you're a good man.
Wait. I'm waiting here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not going to disappear.
Okay.
just wait for me here. When I go down there, see where that orange car is? There's another BDO.
Oh, here.
Next to no BDO. It's next to the just on the next left. So wait here. Promise you, I'll come back.
Okay.
I won't.
Yun nga mga kanegro, nag-promise naman sa atin si sir na babalik. Saka yun nga, alagang 67 pesos lang naman. Kaya walang problema sa akin yun mga kanegro. Kahit di bumalik si sir o bumalik siya, walang problema sa akin yun. Kumbaga, tulong na rin natin sa kanya yun, di ba? Pero kung bumalik, mas ayos, di ba mga kanegro? Siyempre, mababayaran yung fare natin. Alagang 67 pesos lang naman yun. Ayun mga kanegro, update ko lang kayo. Waiting tayo dito sa may Robinson, Manila. Hintayin natin bumalik si sir. Ayan mga kanegro, kita nyo naman. Basta may tiwala ka sa tao, babalikan na. Binalikan tayo niya siya.
Sorry.
Okay sir, no problem.
It didn't accept my card, so I had another card. So I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem sir.
Trust me. Have you got money? No, I don't need. I can walk. I don't need. My hotel's there.
You're here. Okay.
That's the perks.
Okay. Here.
So,
67 only sir.
how much?
67 only.
57. 57. I'll give you 70 for waiting. I'll give 70 pesos.
70
So you
pesos.
can keep the money yourself. So how much is it?
67.
So I'll give you 70.
70.
Yeah, so you have a tip for waiting. Sorry, I've got no change, but that's
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
and 30 more. Give me 30. So you keep 13, and you keep 13.
Okay.
No, you have to give me. You give me 600, 900, yeah?
Yeah.
You have to give me 30 pesos now.
Yeah.
So that's 30, yeah? Okay. So you
Okay.
keep now 17. No, you keep 13 pesos.
3 peso only.
Yeah.
3 peso.
No, hang on. 57, 67.
3 pesos only.
No, it's not. No, they're giving me 70.
Yeah, 30 pesos. 3 pesos only. Okay, it's okay.
No.
It's okay.
No, that's for you. Tip. That's for you.
Okay. Thank you.
That's it, 30. That's what I will give you. Okay, thank you.
Yun nga mga kanegro, akala niya yung binigay niya sa atin tip is 13 pesos. Eh 9.30 yung binigay ko eh. 67 yung fare niya, di ba? Bali 70 lang yung napunta sa akin. 3 pesos lang. Okay lang yun, walang problema yun. Kaso nagkamali nga siya, ginawa niya ng 13 pesos. Bayad sa waiting time natin, walang problema yun. Ang mahalaga, makatulong tayo sa kanya, di ba? Wala namang problema doon mga kanegro kung wala siyang tip o meron. Ang mahalaga, matid natin siya sa pupuntahan niya, di ba? Yun lang, ride safe lagi sa atin.